gentlemen, this is Steve at BMW of Reading, and I'm here to show you guys a new tool that we're implementing in our new service drive, and it's to give you an idea of where your tires are for the upcoming winter months. It'll show you a tread depth. Also, it will show you if your vehicle is out of alignment, which will prematurely wear your tires. So we're gonna go ahead and scan all your tires when you pull into the service drive and then show you exactly where they stand and if or not you need alignment, which is recommended by BMW once a year. So when you pull in for service, as you're checking in, another service associate is gonna take a picture of your license plate, which will link to your vehicle, and then we will scan each tire one at a time and get a tread depth of the condition of the tires and whether or not the vehicle needs alignment. We have a red, green, yellow printout that shows you where your tires are as far as the depth all the way around from the inner to the outer edge. Give us a call, schedule an appointment, and experience our new service drive. Thanks a lot. Take care.